Hello everybody and welcome to a new project. This project is going to be very simple, aimed at complete beginners, not even knowing what they're doing. I will be explaining a lot of things, really kind of in depth, so you get, what's happening if, when you want to go out on your own and create your own programs. So this was like close to one of the first projects I ever did. Um, yeah, it was really easy. So here we go. So when you first load in, it's gonna load in probably like this, or maybe like this or something. I don't know. But you can drag this down. You don't really use it that much, except for when you get an error. Then it's really helpful. But scroll down if it's up here and you can't see this, and click Create New Project. So it'll probably come up in Visual C#. We don't want Visual C#. We want Visual Basic. So Visual Basic, Windows Form App.NET Framework, and you should see over here Visual Basic. And there you go, that's all you have to do. Down here in the name, you can name it whatever you want. So we're going to name this Burger Chooser. And here you can choose wherever you want to save it. This is like recently saved places. You can browse somewhere on your computer, all that. So, sorry, I have a cold and yeah, or allergies actually. But so yeah, click OK, and it'll create this. So this is called a form. You can tell form 1. It says right over here. And this is what the user will be seeing. So if we start this right up here, hit the start button and it'll run the actual program. Wait for it to start. And here it is. This is our program. It is wonderful, isn't it? I don't know where Visual Basic went, but yeah. So yeah, you can import your own little thing there, like image, like right up here, like Visual Studio imported their own. You can import your own. You can do a lot of things. But so over here is the toolbox, and it'll probably come up like this. So hit toolbox here, and then click the little pin, or if it's not there, go down to View and Toolbox. It's right there. Other thing, properties. This is also very important. Properties will be over here, and make sure you pin that. If not, it's View and Properties window right down here. So, yeah, so we actually want to make this form a bit smaller. So go here and just kind of make it a little smaller. We'll go like that. I just don't like scrolling around trying to find, the end of the form and stuff. So like that, and I'll scroll up here. It'll probably be like this. It'll probably look a little different for you. If you go right here and click alphabetical, it makes everything a lot easier. So for the name, we're going to type in FRM Burger, and then hit enter. And it'll probably think a bit, and then it'll be done. It'll be like, oh, wait, it didn't actually do anything. Oh yeah, it said form burger here, but there's nothing up here. Like, what? It still says form 1. Well, if we want to refer to it in code, this is what we would use. This part up here is the text. So for the text, we'll just type burger chooser. And there we go. Now it came up here. So to create like buttons and picture boxes and labels and all this other kind of things, you come here in the toolbox, you can search it and stuff, but I like just having common controls open. This is where most of the stuff is. And you just click and drag. So when I drag, you can see the little box following my mouse. yeah, if you release, there you go. Get a picture box. You can put it up here. These lines mean that it'll kind of be even. You know, it's parallel, I guess. Well, not parallel. It's in line with another object. But so we'll put it there, and we'll put a label down here, another label down here, and let's see here. We want a button. And we'll build a button there, and then we want another button right there. Let's see. Actually, we want. No. We're just gonna go like this. So, oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. Huh. Anyways, if you do something you don't want to, just right click and delete, or just hit the delete key. So, select this picture box and hold shift and select this picture box, and then what? Make it a bit bigger. I don't know why mine's doing this. Maybe it's because I don't know. So make it a bit bigger. And move it over a bit. Maybe a little more up here. There we go. We can always change this later. So with both of these selected, go Format, Center and Form horizontally. And it'll center them in the form. Just make it a little bit nicer. So now, select this picture box. And in the name, we can call it Pick Burger. And select this picture box and name it Pick Chicken. I'd probably name this Sandwich Chooser, but oh well. Then this, you can, kind of move in the middle. So select this label, and we'll go LBL Burger. And down here, right in the text, do Burger. Now select this one, and the text will write Chicken. I think I spelled that right. And LBL Chicken. So there we go. Now we can refer to these in code and know what we're actually referring to instead of, label 1, label 2, label 37. Yeah. We don't want to say, okay, label 37.visible equals true, and then it's the wrong label. You're like, no, I want label, 57, and yeah. Anyways, select this button and name it BTN Choose, and scroll down and choose. For this button, we'll do exit, and then BTN exit. Select these two, make them a bit bigger, because personally I like big buttons. So there we go. Yeah. Take those two, format, center and form horizontally. Take these two, format, center and form horizontally, and there we go. So next we're going to import the pictures. Well, actually no. Select the form, and from in the properties window for the accept button, we're going to go from none to button choose. So I did this wrong. I guess that's what happens when you don't create a test version. So actually, we need to create two more buttons. Create this button and name it BTN Burger, and this button BTN Chicken. My phone's going off. Burger. Select these two. Make What is wrong with this? Make it a bit bigger. There. What? Bring it up a bit. Okay. So actually I gotta move it a bit and select this label, right click delete, select this label, right click delete. Now select these two, move them over, format, center and form horizontally, and there we go. So for this picture box, go down to image, instead of none, click this little ellipsis here, and this will come up. So if you've already imported a bunch of pictures, you can just select them here. You don't have to re-import them. But yeah, we don't have any pictures imported. So we're just going to click import, and we'll do burger, open. Actually, no. Wrong burger. It doesn't show up here. All files. So we're going to do this burger instead. Click OK. And size mode, we want to change from normal to stretch image so that it fits. Now for this image, we're going to go image ellipsis. Now, oh, burger, we can just OK. But we don't have the chicken burger. Chicken burger, OK. And stretch image. And there we go. Have our two burgers. So yeah, it took like a couple minutes just browsing the internet for pictures. Just choose whatever pictures you want, honestly. They probably won't be in the description, but anyways, let us create a label. Just thought of something. And we're gonna name this LBL thanks, and then do thank you for choosing. Your decision has been noted. This U should be lowercase. Thank you for choosing. Your decision has been noted. And now I'll just select this, format, center and form horizontally. And we want to change the font because no one likes Microsoft Sans Serif. We're going to do Tahoma and 12 bold. Yeah. Alright, we'll put it there. So then choose all of these. And we'll do the Palatino, 12, 14. And then choose these two. And we'll make them bold. And maybe a bit bigger. I'll go 18. There we go. So there we go. It is pretty much all done. I'm just going to change this from control to custom white. So now, if we hit this button, save all, or hit Control Shift S and hit start, our application will come up. We will do the coding in the next episode. I didn't expect it to take this long, honestly. But yeah, so we got our two burger pictures. We can click burger or chicken, choose our burger, exit the application, and we're being thanked for choosing our decision, for our choosing our burger or sandwich. So anyways, that will be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.